So in this video, we're going to try and solve 7 cos x minus 1 equals 3. We're going to use the 3 steps that are written down here. So the first thing is we need to rearrange it to get it cos x equals. So I'm going to first add 1 to both sides. So we're going to get 7 cos x is equal to 4. And then I'm going to divide everything by 7. So we get cos x is equal to 4/7. So we've done that. Well, now we need to get rid of point 2, use calc to find x equals. Well, to get rid of the cos here, I would do inverse cos to both sides. So that would mean I would put into my calculator cos to the minus 1 of 4/7. So coming out of your calculator, we should have x is equal to 55.150095 ... So we're now on to point 3. Draw cos graph to find all solutions. So what we're basically looking for is when is this cos curve the height of 4/7? So I'm going to draw a line that goes through 4/7 roughly on the y-axis. So there it is. And it hits the curve twice between 0 and 360. It hits it here, and it hits it roughly here. So let's zoom in on this graph so we can get a little bit more understanding of what's happening. Well, this first point here, well, that's going to be our 55.2. So this distance here to here, from 0 to there, is 55.2. Now, also, using the symmetry of this curve, remember it's symmetrical about the middle, from 360 back to this point here must be 55.2. So we're now going to use this symmetry to try and give me the other answer here. So the first answer is going to be 55.2. Well, the second answer is going to be 360 take away 55.2. And if we do that, we're going to get 55.2 and we're going to get 304.2 degrees. So they're my 2 answers. Okay, let's look at this second question. So let's rearrange to get cos x equals. I'm going to take away 2 from both sides. So it's going to leave me with minus cos x is equal to 0.5. Now we need to get rid of that minus, so I'm going to divide everything by minus 1. So we're just going to be left with cos x is equal to minus 0.5. Now, we need to use our calculator to find x. Well, to get rid of the cos, to get x on its own, I do inverse cos. So x equals cos to the minus 1 of negative 0.5. And if you put that into your calculator, you should get 120 degrees. So that's it. I've found the first answer. Now I'm going to draw the cos curve to find all solutions. So there's my cos curve drawn, and remember all I'm really looking for is when is cos x the height of negative 0.5. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line through negative 0.5 and see when it hits the cos curve. So it hits it here, so about that value, and it hits it here, about that value there. Okay, now let's zoom in so we can have a greater look at see what's happening here. Okay, so we know that this first value here is 120 degrees. So this distance from the blue line back here is 120 degrees. Now through the symmetry of this curve, 380, the distance from this blue line to 360 must also be 120 degrees. So this value here, the other point must be 360 take away 120. Okay, so that's what's happening. Let's zoom back out so we can finish this. So our answers are going to work, are going to be 120 degrees, that's between 0 and 360, and 360 take away 120. Well, quickly doing the maths there, you're going to get 240 degrees. So the 2 answers are x equals 120 and x equals 240 degrees.